Tokyo, the city you must visit. A visit to Japan's fabled capital city is a must for every vacation there. Where else can tourists spend a day taking in the most well-known fish auction in the world, praying at a temple that dates back 1,000 years, and dining on the endearingly titled Piss Alley? These are the top activities in Tokyo that you simply must do. Hello and welcome back everyone. In today's video, we are going to take a look at Tokyo, the city you must visit. Just sit back and stick to the end to get notes on all the hotspots of Tokyo for your next trip. Toyosu Fish Market serves the freshest sushi in the area. The Toyosu Fish Market is one of the greatest locations to find some of Tokyo's world-famous sushi. The famed daily tuna auction is currently held in Toyosu following the world-famous Tsukiji Fish Market's relocation there in 2018. However, you may still go to Tsukiji, where the eateries and food vendors from the legendary outer market are still open for business. You may go around Sensuji, an old temple in Asakusa. There is nothing else in Tokyo quite like the well-traveled neighborhood of Asakusa and its major draw, the revered temple Sensuji. The traditional temple will take you back in time with its recognizable red lantern and the beautiful Nakamise retail area that lines its approach. The oldest amusement park in the country, Hanayashiki, is close by. Show off in fashionable Harajuku. One day is plenty for exploring the chic Harajuku, Omotesando, and the Aoyama neighborhoods. However, if you can only visit one, choose Harajuku. Takashita Street. In the vibrant neighborhood is the place to go for eccentric fashion, such as Lolita, a Japanese style, influenced by Victorian and Rococo attire. Continue your shopping spree in the high-end stores in Omotesando, stopping along the route to take in the gorgeous architecture, and complete your journey at the art galleries and cafes of the sophisticated Aoyama. Buy anime movies and memorabilia at Akihabara Market. Visitors are astounded by the sheer quality of anime, manga, and gaming accessories in Tokyo's Electric Town. Comics, DVDs, intricate figures, trade and playing cards, costumes, publications, and an unending supply of trinkets are all available for discerning customers to complete their collections. You may also check out Tokyo's oddball-made cafes there. View the vintage Yanaka Ginza Shitamachi. Historically, Tokyo's less well-off citizens worked and resided in the Shitamachi, down city. Few locations in Tokyo today still offer a taste of the past, but the Yanaka Ginza shopping area is one of them thanks to its run-down, time-frozen feel. The Yuyaki Dandan stairway, which has appeared in movies and television shows, is a wonderful location to take pictures. Additionally, the region is home to a sizable number of cute stray cats. You could stay at Ueno Park all day. Ueno Park, the biggest park in Tokyo, is a great place to stay while away a whole day. The expansive cherry blossom-filled park is also home to the Tokyo National Museum, the city's most well-known art museum, as well as the National Museum of Western Art, the Tokyo Metropolitan Art Museum, and the underappreciated Shitamachi Museum, among other institutions. The park was formerly the grounds of the Kanneiji Temple. After an afternoon of museum hopping, have a picnic beneath the lush trees of Ueno. From the Tokyo Skytree, look out! The 634-meter, 2,080 feet tall Tokyo Skytree is the highest structure in the world. Spend the evening around it. Visit the shops as you make your way to the observation decks for unparalleled 360-degree views of the city, and on a clear day, perhaps even a glimpse of Mount Fuji. Many stylish places to buy and eat can be found in Skytree Town, also known as Solamachi, which is located at the foot of the tower. Go for a little stroll around Piss Alley, although Omiide Yokocho, one of the numerous Yokocho in Tokyo, translates literally as memory lane. It is more often known as Urine Alley. Despite its rather unsettling name, Tokyo residents love to dine and drink at this lively, evocative cluster of tiny bars and food vendors. Yakitori is the major course you'll encounter. That's it for the day, guys. With that, I'd like to conclude this video, hoping that you liked and enjoyed it. If you enjoy our content, make sure you hit the like button, and also share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel to get our videos regularly, and don't forget to click the bell icon to never miss an update. We'll see you at the next one. Until then, peace!